You can automate programming for standard features, part families, and even multiple parts arranged in fixtures. Program a single part and copy it to all the workpieces. The collision-free toolpaths are associative, which means that you can adjust a single operation and the system will automatically update all the toolpaths. There's no need for extra third-party machine tool simulation software to check toolpaths. You can validate your programs directly inside NXCAM. Use integrated G-code-driven simulation to accurately represent how your machine will actually perform on the shop floor. A 3D model of the machine with the part, fixtures, and tooling moves according to the post-processed NC program. The integrated CAD capabilities let you design fixtures and clamping devices. The Knowledge Reuse library enables you to easily access your standard parts for setups. By using the assembly capabilities, you can quickly position parts in context. The setup configurations can be easily shared with the shop floor via conventional drawings or 3D viewer technology. NXCAM automatically produces shop documentation that includes both tooling information and operation sheets that you can easily configure. You can manage all of your manufacturing data, including 3D part models, resources, and NC programs in Teamcenter. This enables the entire team, including the production staff, to use the same source of data. Using ShopFloor Connect, you can access and review the revision-controlled manufacturing data in Teamcenter. The correct work package can be sent to production, ensuring that the right data is used to manufacture parts on the shop floor.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.